In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money online using Pinterest affiliate marketing and Fiverr affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial of how you can use Pinterest and how you can use Fiverr affiliate marketing. So that means that we are going to be promoting these geeks in a strategic way. Someone else is going to be doing them and we're going to be earning money. If you're interested in that, definitely this video is for you. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. And I'm going to show you how you can do this if you decided to earn money online, if you decided to be consistent so you can earn money from the comfort of your home. Okay. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Pinterest and using Fiverr. Okay. Let me share with you some income proof. By the way, guys, by no means I'm guaranteeing you that these are going to be your results. These are my results, and my results are not typical because I'm not taking typical action. I'm someone as you right now. I'm pretty sure that you are committed with yourself, committed with your success, and you are going to make it happen. As you can see, I have some payments here, $27, $10, $10, $29, 27, 27, 27, 100, 23, 23, 248, and so on. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because I'm going to show you that definitely this is something that you can do from the comfort of your home and you can start earning money if you have a real commitment with yourself, a real commitment with your success. Now, which are the things that we are going to need? First of all, we need to go to Fiverr. You need to go to Fiverr.com. I already have my account. If this is the very first time you have it, please make sure that you're going to be opening your account. You're going to scroll down. I don't know why my computer is right now a little bit slow. Okay. But you're going to scroll down and you're going to be clicking where it says affiliates. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down here really fast. Okay. Let me wait here. Well, you're going to go and you're going to click here where it says affiliates. Something really important, guys, is right now they have it on the right bottom corner. Sometimes they have it on the left corner. So please make sure just to take your time and click here where it says affiliates. So you're going to be landing on a page like that look like this. It's actually explaining you what it's all about, the Fiverr affiliate program, in which literally we are recommending other people's services. They're going to be doing the service and we're going to be earning money. The reason why I actually like it is because they have 3 different programs from which you can earn between 25% to even 100% on your customer's first order. But also you're going to be earning 10%, okay, for the first year. So you can have recurring income. They have what we call we don't call it, they call it the marketplace gigs, in which you're going to be earning 25% and then the 10%. They also have the pro service, which is 70% of the first order, okay, and then 10%. And they also have the logo maker. If you go with promoting logo services, this is the one you go. It's a fixed payment of $30, equal to 100% of the logo maker basic package. And after that, 10%. Okay. You can click here where it says join now. And you're going to land on a page like this. Basically, you need to fill out your information, your first name, your last name, your email address, a username, which is going to be a unique username. You're going to type a password. There are some requirements for the password. Choose the type of account, In your case, it's going to be private, one person operation. Okay. The traffic source, we're going to choose social, choose your country, your language. And right now, Skype is definitely not something that we're using. So you're going to click next. You're going to verify your account. And then you're going to go to your Fiverr dashboard. Here in the dashboard, there are several things that you can do, but I'm going to focus just on one thing only. And that's the only thing that we need. Okay. We are going to go here where it says marketing tools. And then you're going to go here where it says default and deep links. Okay. Here on default and deep links, that's the thing that we are actually going to be using. Okay. Because we are going to be recommending these services right away. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And remember, if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. You're going to notice that my account is actually really, really old. So you're going to notice that I have something that is called new plan and old plan. Don't worry about that. You are going to get just the new plan. Okay. That's it. Okay. So we're going to go here where it says deep link. We're going to click on it. And now we need a service that we are going to be promoting. Okay. I already told you that we're going to be using Pinterest. So I'm going to go all in and I'm going to be recommending Pinterest products. Okay. I click here where it says Pinterest marketing and I have experts who are promoting Pinterest products. Which are the type of products that I'm going to be promoting? I'm going to be promoting products that are on demand. Okay. The first one, if you notice here, these are ads. Some of them can be good to promote. Others, maybe not. How do you know, Diana? Because here it says ads by, ads by, ads by, ads by. Okay. Which are the things that I'm going to be taking into consideration? And I'm suggesting you to take into consideration while you're going to be promoting Pinterest products. Okay. First, we are going to go and we're going to promote Fiverr choices. Okay. That's a cool thing. We're going to go and we're also going to promote level 2 Fiverr sellers, because that means that they're delivering a great service and people are happy with that. We are also going to promote top rated. Okay. These are the ones that we are going to be promoting because that means that people are actually happy with them and they're actually buying the products. For example, here, I'm going to show you two examples. This very first one, okay, which is Daniela. Daniela says that, she says, I'm going to quote this. I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your business and blog. Okay. If you see, she have 24 orders in queue, over 300 reviews. Not everybody leaving reviews. So that means that she is definitely delivering a great product. Okay. And here we have, the basic package, the standard package, and so on. So this is definitely a great product to promote. Here we have another product as well, okay, which is, I'm going to quote this, is Selnap. Maybe I mispronounced her name. I'm so sorry about that. Well, she's a top rated. You're going to see that she has almost 500 reviews. 42 of her products are in queue. And she will says, I will manage, grow, and boost marketing as a Pinterest queen. Okay. If we do the math here, you are going to notice that, okay, you're going to notice that $80, which is the basic plan. I'm not checking on the other plans. $80, 42 times, because that's the amount of orders that you have on the queue right now, is over $3,000 just with the basic plan. Okay. And you can earn money from it. She have this one, which is the standard, which is 130. She has the premium, which is $230. Okay. So now what we're going to do, you're going to be clicking and copying this link, and you're going to go back to your affiliate dashboard. Then you're going to place it here and you're going to click save. Okay. Grab the link that you're going to get because that's the one that we are going to be using. Now, you're going to go to Pinterest and you're going to create a free business Pinterest account. Okay. A free Pinterest account. You don't need, okay, you don't need to have a super complicated account. You can open it just with your Gmail account. Okay. So what we're going to be doing now is that we are going to be promoting this pin. Okay. We're going to be promoting this pin. So you're going to click here on the top and you're going to click here where it says create pin. Diana, I don't have a pin yet. I don't know how to do this. I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. Okay. How you can easily do this. You're going to be landing here on this page. Okay. You're going to be landing here on this page. You notice that you need an image. You need a title. You need a description. You need a link. There are things that you don't have right now, but you need. Okay. So we can use Canva. Okay. You can go literally to canva.com and you're going to have templates. Okay. You're going to have templates that you can customize and you can put your own flavor and everything. One thing that I really like about Canva is the fact that it's easy to edit. It gives you all the resources, everything literally that you need by using the account. Okay. So now we are also going to be using AI because AI is the thing right now and it's helping us with ideas. For example, I put it here, turn this title into a Pinterest pin. Help me with everything that I need, including the hashtags and the SEO if needed. And I used the last service that I told you, or the first one. I don't remember right now, but I use one. I says, I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your blog and business, which is actually this one. Oh, my bad. Wrong link. It's actually this one. Okay. And since I told ChatGPT that I'm going to be using on Pinterest, that I need everything, okay, it gave me the title, which is SEO optimized. It gave me a pin description, which is also SEO optimized. It gave me a pin design tips. Okay. He says use Canva or Photoshop. Okay. Included this phrase, which is grow your business with Pinterest. Help me with the visuals. Okay. I can have all these icons and everything on Canva. It helped me with the size and everything. The target, which is for the SEO and all the stuff, because I asked it. And this is what you're going to be putting here. You're going to be creating the image, putting here, using the title, the description. The link is the link that we have actually that we customize it here. Okay, that's your link. Okay, here I put it safe. This is the link that you're going to be using. Okay, so people are going to be appealed. They're going to be like, hey, this is what I want. This is actually what I need. They're going to go ahead and purchase. My recommendation, and this is going to be maybe a little bit more advanced, there is this tool that it's called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account and you can literally create your account and have a simple two-step funnel. Okay, or literally just one-step funnel, which you're going to be asking people their name, their email address, and then they're going to be redirected to the link that we just created. Okay, so with that said, you're going to have the opportunity to drive traffic, in this case from Pinterest. Okay, from Pinterest. And you're going to have the opportunity to promote not only one, but several services. And you're going to have more opportunities to earn money with this strategy. Remember, guys, if you really want to earn money with this, you need to be consistent. Okay. This is not something that, oh, I'm going to just upload one image and magically I'm going to get the results. This is not how it works, but definitely this is strategy do work. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.